if you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, then you don't know what this video is. I ordered stuff. Well, you could probably know. Let me rephrase this. You know what this video is because you clicked on it and you saw the title. That is a ColourPop unboxing. Just got this in the mail. It's stuff that I ordered, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So yeah, I gotta do this unboxing because tomorrow's Monday, and I want to be able to wear this makeup Monday morning for work. So I'm super excited. Yeah. So let's hop right into that. I have my box. It came with like little, I'm trying not to show my address, sorry. Little ice creams, and there's cherries and popsicles and watermelons and oranges, and I don't know what that is. Maybe that's supposed to be mint or something. I don't know. But anyways, here's my box. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up. Oh, it's color. I don't think I realized that. It's colorful. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that's mint because you can't tell it's like right there. So yeah, well anyways, here's what the box looks like. And all I've done is I cut the tape. There we go. So it's ColourPop. It says summertime fine. So I feel like it's no longer summertime. In my brain, summer is just June and July, and then it's done. But anyways, let's see what I ordered. You guys ready? I know what I ordered, but you guys don't. So where I'm wrapping it, they packaged it really nice. Lots of bubble wrap. And first thing we see is this, and it says, "You're a peach." Ain't that cute? That very cute. And then I have my order form, and then this thing. Let's go ahead and open that because I didn't order that. What does this say? It says your something. Oh, sorry, we're late. So I got a little sorry present. Let's see what that is. It's a pressed powdered shadow, and it is Popular Demand. That sounds exciting. I have hair on me. I love these single shades. The only downside is I need to go buy like one of those magnetic things because I don't have any magnetic eyeshadow pans. So here's this color. It is this right here. Popular. Is that focusing? Can you read that? I don't know if you can. This is Popular Demand. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch that. Let's put it right there. So there's Popular Demand. I guess it's kind of like a brownie tone. Take a little makeup wipe to my finger. So there's that. That's my sorry, we're late present. All right, now let's move on. So the first thing, like these two are still bubble wrapped, so we're gonna go ahead and go straight to lips. And this, I thought I smudged the eyeshadow on my blue shirt. That would have been sad. All right, so this is the California Love Ultra Blotted ColourPop Lips. I'm loving the packaging on this. I don't think I realized it was California Love one. It does have these palm trees. It just screams summer to me. It says totally for sure. ColourPop.com on this side. And I got the shade Oja there. OG there. OJAI there. I don't know. Can't pronounce things. You guys know this. I'm crazy. So I got this pretty color. We'll do a little swatch right here on the back of my hand. So there it is. Super pretty. It's a very pretty pink, but not too bright of a pink. That makes sense? I hope that makes sense. Okay, so that's the lipstick I ordered. And plus I heard they redid their formula. I was getting emails saying, we redid our Ultra Blotted formula. And I haven't ordered, I don't think, any of their new ones yet. So I'm excited to see what this new formula is. Next in this box are these two palettes that you guys saw right here. Let's just take them out of the bubble wrap. We'll put the box on the floor. So I got the Honey, and I got Orangey Glad. And I already have the watermelon palette, so yeah. Kind of was expecting I kind of already knew what to expect in these. So I'm just excited to buy more of these 9pan palettes and expand my collection. So we're gonna open this up. So you have these pretty, gorgeous colors. Look at them, gorgeous. You have the mirror, and then I like how they packaged it with this foam to keep the shadows still. So there's Orangey Glad, or Honey. Now I'm opening Orangey Glad. Now this is the one that made me purchase this whole entire order. My boyfriend's favorite color is orange, so if I can have orange eyeshadow, that'd be amazing. So this is the package. Loving this orange right here for the O. That's super cute. So let's go ahead and open this. Look at those. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna start swatching. I might as well start swatching with this one. And really wish I had swatchy brush, but that's okay. We're just gonna, I'm gonna slowly take this. This is Zest, Orange Zest, and I'm putting it, I put it right below the Popular Demand. So there's Orange Zest. You can kind of see it on me. And then this is called Squeeze Me. Squeeze Me. And then this one is Creamsicle. Oh my gosh, that sounds like those ice creams. You know those ice creams that you got as a kid from those ice cream trucks? There were creamsicles on those, you guys. Rise and Grind is this one. And I'm doing like really small baby swatches because usually when I swatch, I'm all over the place. So there's that one. So sorry if you don't like my swatching today. This is Clementine, and Clementine's that really chunky color. Ooh, ooh, girl. You guys see this? That is like, wow. That one's pretty, I will admit. That is super exciting. And now I'm going to do Sunkissed. And there's Sunkissed. And then this is Tangerine Dreams. And then we have Mimosas Miami. Mimosas. I love me some mimosas, you guys. And then next is Y'all You Peel Me, which isn't really orange. So I'm kind of, it's okay. It's not very orangey. I wish it would have been like a deep orange because they want to make this all like, what's the word? Can't think of the word, where they're all orange shades. And to me, that bottom one is more brown, doesn't have a lot of orange in it. Same for the Sparkle. It looks kind of orange in the pan, but once it's on my skin, I don't see as much orange. So I'm a little, okay, I'm not bummed. I'm bummed that they're saying it's a, sorry, my camera goes low power. Anyways, I'm really like bummed that it's not all orange like they're saying it is, but I'm still super in love with these colors and can't wait to create a makeup look tomorrow morning with this. Here are the colors again, all of my arm. So I'm really loving this one right here, and I think that one's Tangerine Dreams. So it's this color. But this so far, this is gonna look amazing tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna be like, I think I have a look, but I'm gonna be using 3 different palettes for it. Not 100% sure. I'm just not. And next we're gonna go ahead and do a swatching on this one. I'm gonna do the swatches right here on the back of my hand this time because I've already used my arm. So, wish me luck. So, here's the palette again. And I'm just gonna start at the top and I go across and down. So, we're gonna start out with Stinger. When I do this, yeah. One Stinger. Right there, Stinger. The next color is Sunburst. So you have Stinger, Sunburst, then it's Sweet Spot. So you have Stinger, Sunburst, Sweet Spot, and then it's Dandy. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys, that was just a simple swatch of Dandy. That one was really, whoo. This one's Palooza. And it's that, oh. I'm liking it. I like the color. But you're definitely going to need a paint pot. Or some glitter adhesive. Because it's all sticking to the back of my finger. But I like this one a lot better than I did in the orange pan. I feel like it is more of a yellow toned glitter. Next is Queen Bee, which in my opinion, I feel like I have 1,000 of these like deep gold colors. I accidentally got that on the lipstick. That actually looks cute. Do you guys see that little hint right there? That looks really cute, but this is the Queen Bee. Next is Totally Buggin'. Who doesn't want to be buggin'? That just sounds like Totally Buggin'. And there's that one. It's right there. Next is Oh Beehive. And there's Oh Beehive. And then the last one is Buzzkill. And I do like Buzzkill. It does have a, it's like a deep brownish with a hint of yellow right here. And it's like, to make that brown, they put a bunch of mustard in it. You know, like when you're a kid and you mix like your ketchup and your mustard and you're like thinking you're making a potion of some sort? Yeah. I feel like that's what they did with that. They just like threw all these yellows together in one pan. And then they're like, oh, let's add a hint of brown. And it made this color. That's how I feel about it. But I really love it. I can't wait to create a makeup look with these colors. This one is definitely a different brown, so that's positive. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys really quick were these 2 palettes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. Stay tuned. I will be posting a makeup video ASAP. So, bye. Thanks for watching.